I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Starlink dish and ensuring the terminal is online. This supplies the adapter. Once the dish shows a stable status light, make sure to leave the dish powered while you connect devices. Plug the power supply into the dish, and then attach the Ethernet adapter to the Starlink terminal's WAN port. This is the first actionable change from default Wi-Fi. Do this now so the system negotiates link speed. Before you proceed with cabling, once the adapter is physically connected, route a quality CAT6 cable to your router or PoE injector. This preserves gigabit performance. If you use a PoE injector, make sure it matches the adapter's power requirements so the adapter and dish both stay powered. Next, set your router's WAN interface to DHCP so it accepts Starlink's automatic addressing. If you need a static IP, apply those settings after confirming connectivity. Finally, check LEDs for link and activity. To finish, plug a laptop into the router's LAN and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you don't get a link, power cycle in this order: router, Ethernet adapter, then the Starlink dish. Wait 30 seconds between each. Also swap in a known good CAT6 cable and try a different router port to rule out hardware faults. If issues persist, open the Starlink app to check service status and firmware. Updates can resolve adapter handshake problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.